Hey there, and welcome back. If you've ever felt frustrated with confusing weight loss diets or meal plans that are hard to stick to, I've got great news for you. In today's video, I'm sharing a simple, easy to follow, and effective 7-day meal plan to help you lose weight naturally without any complicated cooking. The best part, you only need to follow one meal plan for the entire week to see amazing results. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Why consistency is key. Now, I know you might be thinking, shouldn't I switch up my meals every day? While variety is great for weight loss, consistency is actually more important. The foods I'm going to share today are packed with nutrients that not only help you burn fat, but also keep you satisfied throughout the day. By sticking to these meals, you'll avoid the common mistakes of overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods, helping you stay on track. Step 2. The 7-day meal plan. Let's talk about the meal plan. I've kept it super simple. Every day, you'll eat 3 balanced meals with a few healthy snacks in between to keep your metabolism firing and prevent hunger cravings. Breakfast? Start your day right. Option 1. For breakfast, we're starting off with scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes, served with a slice of whole grain toast. Eggs are packed with protein, which will keep you feeling full longer and help your body burn fat. The spinach and tomatoes add fiber and antioxidants, giving your body the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Add a cup of green tea for a metabolism boost. Option 2. If you prefer something different, go for Greek yogurt topped with mixed berries and a handful of almonds. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and probiotics, which support gut health. The berries are full of antioxidants and vitamins, while almonds add healthy fats to keep your energy levels stable throughout the morning. Lunch, energizing and filling. Option 1. For lunch, we have a delicious and filling grilled chicken salad with a variety of colorful veggies like cucumber, avocado, and a simple olive oil dressing. This meal gives you lean protein from the chicken, healthy fats from the avocado, and fiber from the veggies, perfect for keeping your energy levels steady through the afternoon. Plus, the olive oil helps with fat metabolism. Option 2. If you don't feel like having chicken, go for a chickpea and quinoa salad with roasted veggies and a light lemon tahini dressing. Chickpeas are a great plant-based protein source. Quinoa provides complex carbs for sustained energy, and the veggies add fiber and essential nutrients. The tahini dressing gives a nutty, creamy flavor, while also supplying healthy fats. Dinner, light and satisfying option 1. Now, for dinner, we're going with a light but satisfying meal. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and broccoli. The salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are amazing for your heart and help reduce inflammation in the body. I'm pairing it with some quinoa for a whole grain source of carbs that won't spike your blood sugar. The veggies, packed with fiber and vitamins to keep you feeling full and nourished. Option 2. If you're not in the mood for salmon, try grilled tofu with stir-fried vegetables and brown rice. Tofu is a high-quality plant protein that helps with muscle repair and overall health. The stir-fried veggies provide a mix of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while brown rice keeps you full without causing blood sugar spikes. A simple yet balanced dinner to end the day. Right. Snacks. Healthy and easy. Between meals, if you feel hungry, I've got you covered with some healthy snacks. You can enjoy a handful of nuts like almonds or walnuts, a small portion of fruit like an apple or banana, or even a boiled egg. And don't forget to stay hydrated with water or herbal tea throughout the day. Step 3. Why this plan works. So, why does this meal plan work so well for weight loss? It's all about the right balance of nutrients. Each meal is packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber to help regulate your hunger and keep your metabolism working efficiently. This meal plan helps reduce cravings, keeps your energy levels stable, and most importantly, supports fat burning. By sticking to this plan for just 7 days, you'll be on your way to feeling lighter, healthier, and more energized. Step 4. Tips for success. Here are a few tips to make sure you stick to this plan and get the best results. Prep your meals ahead of time. This will save you time and prevent any unhealthy food temptations. Drink plenty of water. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Stay active. Even light exercise like walking can help speed up your results. Alright, that's your 7-day meal plan to help you burn fat and feel amazing. The key is consistency. If you stick with it, you'll start seeing results not just in your weight, but also in your energy, mood, and overall health. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy weight loss tips. Let me know in the comments how your 7-day journey is going and if you'd like more meal plans like this.